Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you fill the Zhejiang University online application portal for CSC scholarship and for university scholarship as well. So as I discussed in my previous video how you apply for CSC scholarship and university scholarship, you know, but now I fill the Zhejiang University online application portal. So click on this link. I will also give the link in description of online portal. When you sign in or sign up, then this screen will show. This will not be shown because I already my one form is in progress, so that's why I cannot complete the form, and so that's why this is showing. But when you sign up and log in, then this screen will be shown. So click on, if you are applying for master, then click on master. If you apply for doctoral degree, then click on doctoral degree. Okay, now come to the point. Now click on master degree. After click on master degree, check this form. I applying for master degree, and then click on next. My form cannot be pursued. You have already for this project. Means my application, my one application form is in process, so that's why it cannot be go forward. But you can, when you click on next, then it automatically give to the next portion. Okay, now I will modify my form. So when you click on next, then this screen will be shown. So fill your first name, surname, family name, given name, and full name, family name, and given which passport, gender, select your gender, date of birth, character, Chinese character if you are applicable, Chinese name if you are applicable, otherwise leave it. Nationality, city of birth, and passport number, and passport valid until okay, and expiry date, means passport expiry date. Marital status, religion, select your type your height, what is your height, and status, occupation, if you are studying there, if you are studying, then type your student, and current occupation, student. Okay, and type your university name here, and state of health, physically fit, and if you are not studying, but and then already fill the name of your university and student like this. Okay, native your language, what is your mother language, type your mother language, and family relationship, family member of an applicant, father, give your type your father detail, give your mother detail, and select nationality, select his nationality, and date of your acquiring your citizenship. Means this means that if the parent has not changed his nationality, the nationality time is the date of birth of the parent. Means if you don't change your nationality, then type the date of birth of your father, and name of your father, and date of birth of your father. Also select there is the date of birth, select the date of birth here, and also select date of birth here if you are not changing your country. Means if you not change your nationality. As same like as that, you fill your mother details here, and now came to the contact information. Okay, contact information, fill the contact information completely and correctly, because they never ask again for you for admission. When they send documents, admission documents to your address, they don't ask again. They ask one time, maybe they ask from you for second time when they send admission notice to them to you, but my friend which are in studying in Zhejiang University, they says that they not got any admission notice. They don't they says that they don't get any email about documentation address. So give your address completely and correctly. Okay, type your country, city, telephone number, postal code. If you don't know your your city postal code, type your city name in the Google, and they will collect your information and give you the detail of your, and give you the postal code of your your city. Type your email, type your permanent address, destination, or domestic or abroad. If it is your international address, please fill in the English address, otherwise it will be affected on the accurate postal delivery. So if you click on international, if you are international student, select city, country, city, telephone number, postal code, address, what's your address, and this is also the form of address. Okay, addressee name, I think it's your name. Okay, and this is the address. Okay, now please enter admission note document can be received at this address. You can receive your admission documents between June and September. Okay, country, what's your country, and the current address and telephone number. What's your current contact phone, your phone number? So type your current contract phone number, postal code, and these are the same above this. Okay, if your current address is same like the postal address, then it's okay, otherwise you will change it. Okay, so is there emergency contact China? If you are emergency contact in China, then yes. If you not have any contact, then no. Okay, do you have any guarantor in China? If you are if you want to give your detail of your father, brother, and any further friends in China, then type the detail of him. In guarantor, mostly students says that you put the guarantor name CSC and other things, but I suggest you, if you type your father detail and if any further friends or brother who are working in China or other things. If your father is not in China, but they support you, type the detail of your father. But if you don't give any detail, then you click on no. But I will suggest you must you type the detail of any of your brother or your father. Okay, now come to the educational experience. What's your educational experience? Give the detail of your educational experience. What's your highest degree which you obtained? If you are applying for master, then your highest degree is bachelor. If you are applying for PhD, then your highest degree is master diploma. Okay, final institution in which you are graduated and a diploma are obtained to be obtained means which degree you want to do obtained or to be obtained. Okay, type your degree name. Okay, institution study record, in which is the institution name in which you are graduated or being to be graduated. Okay, and duration from to this field of study means your computer science. Field of studies, engineering, computer science, these kind of, and degree obtained BS engineering and technology, BS computer science, and these kind of things. Have you ever studied in China? If you are studying in China, then yes, and name of the institution in which you are studying, and type the duration in which you study. Okay, if you don't study in China before, so click on no. Experience record, if you okay, if you want your experience add to experience, then click on plus button. If you have only one experience certificate, then click employer working, what's you are working with which you are engaged work division, and what's your title and position which you hold, and academic papers. If you write any academic papers, give the detail of your academic paper. If you don't type publish or any paper, then leave it. Chinese proficiency, if you have Chinese proficiency, then click on excellent or other things. If you don't have, then no ability. And if you English proficiency, if you have any IELTS or TOEFL, etc., then select the IELTS other things. If you do, what's your English proficiency? Excellent, IELTS none. Okay, type it none. Okay, or others. If you type others, then type on other. Okay, but if you don't have IELTS, then click on none. Okay, then no. And other languages mean English proficiency. Okay, and if you are you going to graduate to undergraduate program in March, means if you are not graduated yet, then click on yes. If you are graduated, then click on no. Okay, and no. Or you're studying in Zhejiang University, no. If you are studying already, then click on yes. Otherwise, no. Are you studying in university in mainland? No. Okay, and now going to the study plan. What's your study plan? Okay, what's your study plan? Preference means you give the preference in which major you give the preferred, which you are preferred. Okay, now I say first is my civil engineering, and I select and the first preference major is in civil engineering taught program, and my second is civil engineering. Okay, and my major is I want to select that major. My major is hydraulic engineering. Okay, these are the two programs which is preferred. If you not get admission in this program, then they will offer you this program for the scholarship. So it depends on you. Duration is automatically duration of study is automatically be here, and which language of instruction can be accepted. In which language you want to study. If you study only in English, then select in English. If you are studying in both, and click on both. If you does your Chinese level your standard of English? No. If you have Chinese any language, then click on yes. Accommodation is arranged by university, not by your own. So if you are going for scholarship, so it depends on university. So scholarship application, what's your scholarship application? So if you are applying for Zhejiang University scholarship, then click on this, and if you are applying for the Chinese government scholarship, then check on this. So I apply on if you apply on only Chinese government scholarship, so I select this option. You are applying for both Zhejiang and Zhejiang University scholarship or Chinese government scholarship. I don't know if you can apply for this both, for both of this. This is because they don't mention on website that you can apply for both, or they also not mention that you can apply for you could not apply for both of these. So it depends on you. So and but I will suggest you can apply only one scholarship. So if you are applying for CS scholarship, then check on CS scholarship. If you fail to obtain any scholarship, are you willing to be self-sponsored student? They ask from you. But if you if you're willing to get admission on self-sponsored, then check on click on yes. If you don't afford on self-sponsoring, so click on no. So now came to the documents upload. This is the main and important part of this game. Okay, now first you upload your passport photocopy, and this must be in JPG format or PDF format. Highest level of education, graduation certificate means your highest degree. Academic records of undergraduate certificates means your transcript. Academic records of postgraduate study. If you are postgraduate, means this is for that is not for you. This is for postgraduate students. You are pre-graduated, I think. Okay, and if you have HSK level, then the certificate, then upload the HSK level. These are all in PDF formats except passport. No recommendation letter format. First you can upload the first recommendation format, second recommendation letter format, and third one is study plan. Make your study plan and upload the study plan. Remittance bill. Students are confused about this. They required to upload remittance bill. They don't mention on the university website CSC government Chinese government scholarship. They don't any structure or any note to you that you apply, you must pay it or 800 or fee. So if they don't mention, then don't upload it. But if your form cannot be submitted without uploading uploading remittance bill, then you need to pay. But I think this is not this is not important. But if it's important, then they will mention this red dot on the also. So it's not compulsory. Acceptance letter from ZJU professor means if you have acceptance letter, then upload it here. And application for university scholarship, if you applied for university scholarship, then upload the university form here. But if you applying for fee, if you are another fee vouchers and other things are there. But this is the these are the important things which you showing here. So if you want to apply for this, then apply as soon as possible, because if you applying early as you can, your chances of selection will be high. So I give you the advice that you apply as soon as possible. Try to get acceptance first. If the students who cannot get acceptance yet, try to get acceptance letter, because a lot of time has been remaining. If you want to apply as early you can without acceptance letter, your scholarship chances will not be high. So try to get acceptance letter first. But PhD students must get acceptance from the professor, because PhD students without PhD, if you are applying for scholarship without acceptance letter, your chances will be very low. So try to get acceptance first. So this is the process which I explained as much as I know. So I hope you understand all these problems. If you have any problem, then type your comment in comment box. And so this is everything. This is all and from my side. If you are to apply, how you apply for how you what's the documents required for Chinese government scholarship, and what documents required for Zhejiang University scholarship, it's depends. So watch my video which I uploaded on this YouTube CSC Guide YouTube channel. Type the CSC Guide YouTube channel in YouTube, and find the video which you want for the scholarship. All the scholarship has been for me as admission started in Chinese universities, in different Chinese universities. So I will tell you, and I will explain about all these universities which you started in CSC admission. So don't worry about that, about these situations, and which you are, if you are feeling worried, then don't feel. I think how you like the video, and hope so you met the video next. So good luck and take care of you.